I received this cordless garden tiller as a gift, and I'm really excited to try it out and show you. As I open up the box, I do notice it comes with everything that you need. The directions, the tools, and the hardware in order to put this tiller together. It was super simple. Right here, I'm demonstrating on the shroud. And right here, it is all put together. Now, what's really cool is it's battery powered. It has no cords to deal with, and it's super lightweight. I love it because you can move around the yard without any hassle. It also comes with 2 batteries. Now, you can keep going without stopping and waiting for one to charge. The design is really comfortable to use. The handle feels good. It wasn't too heavy or hard to control. If you've ever struggled with hard soil and getting your garden ready, you know how much work it is, and this actually makes it much easier. The brushless motor is surprisingly powerful for its size. It breaks up the soil and helps loosen everything up. It's just great for small spaces, especially if you're working in those raised flower beds or tight areas with big equipment just won't fit. Overall, if you're looking for something that makes gardening a little easier and less time consuming,